Hello friends, this is Nipun here. In today's video we are going to learn how to use a phone as PC. To use a phone as PC we require some hardware components. So let's get started to get the feeling of using the computer. First main product is our OTG adapter. It is also called as USB converter. My phone has a USB type B port or micro USB port, so I have an adapter with a type A to type B port. Second component of our video is a USB hub. I have a USB hub which also can be used as a card reader. To get the feeling to use the computer, the next product is our mouse and keyboard. I have Logitech's wireless keyboard and mouse, which is a combination and it has only one dongle. Now firstly let us connect the OTG adapter with the USB hub and the next plug to the phone. I have attached my phone with a tripod or gorilla pod. Let us plug our wireless keyboards and mouse dongle to the USB hub. After connecting it to the phone, now we need to go to the settings of the phone and search in the search box OTG. After getting the result, click on OTG connection. And now our keyboard and mouse is connected to the phone. The phone is recognizing the mouse and keyboard, and it has recognized, and it is now time to go to any text typing area, and let me type hello, and yes, the text is being displayed. Now we will charge my AirPods with my phone. So to charge the AirPods I need a type C cable, as my AirPod has a type C port. So let us connect the one end of the cable to the hub and one end to the AirPod, and yes, here the AirPod is being charged, and we can even connect speakers or microphone using the Bluetooth option in the phone or else the 3.5mm jack provided in the phone. We can even connect many devices like pen drive, hard disk. That's it for today's video. Meet you in the next video, and bye.